What is an IRA rollover?
An IRA rollover is the process of moving retirement savings from one account, like a 401k, to an individual retirement account, or IRA. The main goal is to preserve your savings' tax advantage status while changing where your money is held. Rollovers can happen between different types of retirement plans when you change jobs, retire, or want more investment choices.
How does an IRA rollover work?
To complete a rollover, you can usually request your old plan to send the money directly to your new IRA provider, which is called a direct rollover. Alternatively, you can take possession of the funds and deposit them in a new IRA within 60 days, known as an indirect rollover. Follow the IRS rules to avoid taxes and penalties.
Why should I consider an IRA rollover?
Rolling over your retirement account can simplify your finances, give you more control over investments, and potentially reduce fees. It's a way to consolidate multiple retirement accounts from previous employers and keep your savings growing efficiently. Rollovers also let you tailor your investment strategy as your goals change.
When is the right time to do an IRA rollover?
You might consider an IRA rollover when you leave a job, retire, want better investment choices, or seek lower account fees. It's also worth considering if you're unhappy with your current provider's service. Rolling over isn't always required. Sometimes, leaving money in your old account or transferring to a new employer's plan could be better, so compare your options carefully.
What should I watch out for with IRA rollovers?
Be aware of tax rules, fees, and account differences. With indirect rollovers, missing the 60-day deadline results in taxes and penalties. You're only allowed one indirect IRA to IRA rollover in a 12-month period. Ask about any surrender charges or loss of unique investment options before transferring. Consulting a financial advisor can help you make the best choice for your situation.